Okay. The third part is about stimuli. Okay, we read it like stimuli, and in Tibetan, it's like chorwatemba. It's a very easy one. Suppose someone pinch you, then what are you going to say? You're going to say acha, right? So pinch chiye dikhare lavaina, it's your stimuli, and kirangi stimuli the response to the acha laya, it's your chorwatemba. Okay, and stimuli, it's something like the changes around you. Kirangi damla, kirangi koryula gyurwachik dowaina, that is stimuli. Tangal de chorwa stimuli chorwa temba la na peche tis nga nornge dawji yore. Chitan stimuli la na chorwa ten chunge disure. Chorwa ten chunge jiyorwa. The thing which make tini kirangi chorwa chik ten girwa. Okay, start said it like kirango nam t-shirt kyuni chilo dor. And hot kala nam shi thangu dor. So kirangi koryu gi damla kharchiso. Stimuli dikhare la na koryu girwa temne thangu char. And can a response continue? You will shiver. Okay, that is called the changes in your surrounding. The if suppose the change which occurs in your environment or around you is called stimuli, and stimuli always makes you to respond to that change. And stimuli gi khatune kyu supula kyona gi damla gyura thep gi dila chorwa chik tin chu right kyona gi chogne dila kare chorwa do chi ma tin chu de islar. So stimuli la waina chorwa tem bala na phejenga tes nornge do chi chigidu chorwa tin chungi do chi la waina chorwa tin chungi. Okay, that is called stimuli, right? Changes in the engine dishiga waina. Suppose if I explain you about the stimuli in English, so suppose in an environment which you live, some kind of a changes occurs around you. Suppose what happened? Suppose if you are playing, okay, if you are playing, then you are enjoying. Suppose while playing, a thorn or a needle or a broken glass pierce into your flesh or into your skin. Okay, dikhala gorla na kherangi thanda ye la tsimuchi ge wa chashash ro and tsimuchi do kyu pe ro. You enjoy playing around your house, around with your friends, and tsimuchi ge tige hot galo khuryu girwa tere khuryu khari girwa tere la waina kherang la therma sur yana shego sur. Okay, so suppose a broken glass or some kind of a thorn pierce into your skin, so that thorn getting into your flesh, that is your stimuli. These stimuli chadu. Okay, and dila kirangi reaction jittigira kharchi. You will shout, you will cry. Okay, that uh, piercing of that thorn and glass into your skin is stimuli, and you respond to that stimuli by crying or running to the hospital, or running to your mother is called, kare response or your action to that stimuli. Understood? Okay, so dila stimuli lagirda tangegi. I don't know how much you have understood by my explanation, but I think I have given you some pictures here, and but through the bit, touching the hot plate is your stimuli. Why? Ko ki di lakpa macha me kapsula ko khe kuch mare. Koryu normal re normal inge pa ko reaction stigire. Ine ko ki hot kala korangi dam ki koryu jiuter khartir. Ko ki cha chau yana plate chau so lakpa chang. Lakpa chang na that plate chau dire. Ani chorwa khartes ouch lane acha lane lakpa ba kher gi do lakpa ba kher so response test wa that these two together is kind of a stimuli. Suppose this is a plant, and plant needs sunlight. Sunlight, and because of that sunlight, if the sunlight stays straight up towards the plant, kisi nime di tishing ki kaptu le dena tishing di nima la kaptu de, ani tishing di nima di pa do na ani tishing di kale nima cholo tsu kugdu dwe, nima kawa do na tishing di onde cholo kugdu dwe. That sunlight is actually, this is called stimuli. Nyamdo changmala stimuli lead. Ani madula stimuli chichungi mangupe reswa. Tima part is very, very irritating then your reaction would be like something pai khandere dinde lagirwa. Okay, and suppose migi ngonzola stimuli manguji ngurwa and the response tigirwa ningjuji tona ama ningjela donyoji tona shana salwela right. Okay, and yes, taste kala shimbuchik sawaina. Suppose if we eat a delicious food, we will say like wow, yummy. Okay, suppose if we eat like bitter food or tasteless food, then we are going to say like uh, ashibuchi, I mean the yuck. We are going to say like yuck. That becomes correct stimuli and respond to that stimuli. Miji kala yakpuchi lana ke response cutting gimushurwa gagirwa and miji shinazo jilawa ina kunyobgirwa. That this is are the examples of stimuli. Stimuli lana kyorangi kori la gyurwa tepne gyurwa tepa dila stimuli che and gyurwa tepa la tene kerangi susugi chobaji ma tungirwa reaction che. Okay, that is called no respond to that stimuli. Understood? So I hope uh, you have understood a little bit about a living organism in their surrounding, and this is kind of a revision for you. Okay, and if you want to go thoroughly through this chapter, then please let me know and I will send you all the videos. Kesi gila di revision rai hi ani kiran sugi kare di lobsen gangza goyo lagi na ro ani ngala message ti dala kila di jangai rama so lobsen gangza goni kur dala ni ani ngi kiran sala video kur gos lani shwe. Okay, so this is what I want to teach you today, and this is the revision which I want to make from this chapter called living organism and their surrounding. And I hope you have learned a little bit from this revision part. Okay, and it is kala kanzam jo go to you rewayo da lo ani toche na ang shwe ani chama chapo chiro che yes shwe toche